Yes, yes, yes. Good morning, people. How are we all doing? My name is Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I hope you're all well. Very exciting times, I must admit. My alerts were going crazy this morning. I literally woke up at like half three in the morning because my phone was just completely popping off from all the alerts that I left on from the night before, saying to myself, right, if it looks like things are going to hit these numbers. Let me add the alerts, and hopefully I'll wake up to something good. And the sound of all of the alerts going off just literally woke me up. Went on my laptop, and man, we've just passed some very important levels all throughout the market. And I wanted to show you guys everything that I'm seeing this morning and what we could possibly expect to come this week, hopefully. Because not only are certain altcoins popping off, and obviously we'll take a look at some of their charts, but things like the total market cap, the total altcoin market cap as well, has reached very critical levels, and we're actually melting through them. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I'm seeing, and like I said, hopefully we can expect an explosive week to come out of the entire market. So, of course, we are going to be starting off with Bitcoin, guys. As we all know, as you guys can see, we are now at our highest levels since the beginning of May. Okay, we're currently at 50,153. And in my opinion, I don't think there will be any issues with us getting up to around that $51,000 mark, because as you guys can see, that is the 0.618 retracement. And as I've been saying for a very long time on this channel, these retracement levels right here, the 618, 702, 786, are arguably the most important levels of retracements that we need to be getting through, guys. And we are approaching the very first one. So it's very exciting times. The thing that makes me very confident, though, is the fact that, whenever you look around the rest of the market, we are seeing other altcoins that are leading the market that have actually broken through these levels very easily. And a while back now as well, maybe like going 2 weeks, if you're looking at examples like Cardano or Luna or Solana, they've all broken through them. Okay, so I'm very optimistic that Bitcoin will be catching up and breaking through these levels as well. So Bitcoin approaching very critical levels, guys, and we just have to be cautious though. Okay, although it's very exciting, these are definitely the areas right over here, all throughout this area here. So we're looking at between 51,000 and 57,000. In these areas, when Bitcoin gets around here, it becomes very volatile. So you could see big bounces in these areas, right? God knows how long we're going to be in here for Bitcoin. God knows what kind of dip is going to come whenever we do actually approach these, because I'm expecting some kind of dip to come through Bitcoin. Whatever level we do reach out of these retracements, I don't feel like we're going to just smash straight through them. There'll be a bit of bouncing around. So, expect that. As long as you expect that, you'll be absolutely fine, right? But then the most important thing that happened last night, guys, was this right here. This is a crypto total market cap. Okay. So this is the whole market cap of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. And it's very crucial that we take a look at this chart right here. Because as you guys can see, if I just put that right there, where are we chilling at right now? Well, we are right under the 0.702, people. And as I've said before, the 702 is probably the most important level to get through. Because as I've said before, many a times we've seen charts retrace back to the 702, reject it, and head back off, right? But as I said, in other charts, we've seen other altcoins get through the 0.702. And right now, we've pinpoint touched it, okay? And we are now finding some resistance there. Now, the most exciting times for me will happen once we do break through this level. If we zoom into it a little bit more, going on to the 4-hour chart, as you can see, we were finding beautiful support on top of that 618. As you can see, these fibs came in absolutely perfectly. If we zoom out, every time we went for a Fibonacci retracement level, that's just gone off there, we've always come back down to retest these areas as support. So if I just get back over to the daily chart just to make sure that this is put on right, because I moved it a little bit. Yep, all good. Right, so let me just zoom into that and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So if I go to the 4-hour chart again, zoom in, as you can see, we break through the fib levels, we find support on them. As you can see, there were resistance, support, breakthrough. We found support on it now. And now we are literally just grinding our way up to that 0.702, that all important 702. So we've confirmed the 618 as support. We're now heading up to the 702. We need to break this level, guys. Okay, this is now where it gets not only exciting but very nerve-wracking as well, because in my opinion, it all kind of depends on this area right here. We've been speaking about it for a very long time, and we're now at this level. And as you can see, we found some resistance there. So, I've just got to make it clear to you guys that we need to get through this level. The final retracement is the 0.786, but often, it's the 702 that gets rejected. So if we do manage to get through this level right here, the 0.702 on the total market cap of crypto, man, it's going to be very exciting. And if we go to the total altcoin market cap, so this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, and we zoom in on that as well. Let me just put that on there properly. There we go. Now, what do we see here, guys? What do we see here? Well, the total altcoin market cap has just broken the 0.702, as you can see right there. Okay, so this is the total altcoin market cap. Hence why you're seeing a few alts pop here and there, right? And it's getting extremely exciting, guys. So right now we're looking at the total altcoin market cap, which has had a pop to the upside, which has broken through the 0.702. We've got the total market cap, which is chilling just under the 702, and we've got Bitcoin chilling just under the 618. So we've literally got the 702, the 618, and they are all in these levels right now. And one by one, hopefully, we're going to see them break. Obviously, with Luna, just to show you guys exactly what a break above the 702 looks like, as you guys can see, if we do that right there, that is what happens. When we break through that 702, it's often a trigger point for cryptocurrency to start absolutely exploding, right? That 702 is such a critical level. And once we have a clean break through it, there's just no stopping them. They'll go on and make new all-time highs, right? The final retracement, of course, we do have to be cautious of is the 0.786, okay? But usually it is the 702 that tends to have the most action happening in that area, right? But very optimistic, guys, to see that the total market cap is just underneath it. Even more optimistic to see that the total altcoin market cap is above it. Obviously, no surprise seeing that things like Luna and other coins such as Solana have already broken into new all-time highs. Obviously not mentioning Cardano as well, which also had another pop to the upside, making another new all-time high today. So another very exciting thing to see. But we're getting there, people. We are getting there. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that, right? And as you will probably start to see, you'll start to see loads of other altcoins starting to catch up to the rest of the market. One of the coins we were speaking about being a lagger was, of course, banned right here. And we have actually just broken above the 0.236, the very first retracement. And if I take this Fibonacci retracement off, I've actually put in a red box there, because as you guys can see, we're in this area right now where there was so much volatility going on. And, hopefully we could just end up catching up to the rest of the market. But, we're getting there, guys. We are definitely getting there. So I'll be doing a stream later on today. Hopefully you guys can catch me there, and hopefully we can get a lot more price action by them. But, guys, all exciting. But obviously remain cautious as well. We're in critical retracement levels right now, and we need to get through it. Very optimistic seeing that so many other things have gotten through it, but ultimately we need to see that total market cap get through it. And not only that, most importantly, we want to see Bitcoin get through it. A bullish Bitcoin is a bullish market, people. So, we're getting there one by one, step by step. Hopefully this week will bring good times. And remember, guys, make sure you're taking profit along the way. Do not forget to be doing that. Otherwise, what's the point? But yeah, catch me on my live stream later today, guys, where we'll be going more in depth into so many more charts. And hopefully by then, around that 6-7 o'clock mark when I am doing a live stream, hopefully there'll be a lot more price action happening. So that's gonna conclude it for this morning. I hope you're all doing very well. If you've enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure your bell icon is turned on in case something crazy does happen and you want to be updated when I upload a video. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Take it easy, people.